So if you have been using Visual Studio Code in the past few months, you're probably well aware of the fact that we always get these code suggestions by GitHub Copilot. And most of the time, this is amazing. What I'm talking about is that here, for example, I have this piece of code, and now, you see, GitHub Copilot just suggested what I'm supposed to write next. But in my case, this is not what I want, right? So I can just ignore it and keep writing my code, but if I want to accept the suggestion, I press Tab and it accepts the suggestion. Now, 9 times out of 10, this is amazing and this is exactly what we want. But sometimes you want to turn it off temporarily. This is especially the case if you are trying to learn something. So you don't want someone to write the code for you. You want to learn the code and write it yourself. And in other cases, you are dealing with something specific and you want to do things your way. You don't want any AI assistant to tell you what you are supposed to do. You just want to do things your way. So if you want to turn it off, you just hover here over this icon on the bottom right corner. And now we can see the Copilot dashboard. All I need to do is click here where it says All Files. And now Code Suggestions is turned off. Now I can write anything my way, blah, blah, blah. And when I'm done and want to turn it back on, I hover here again and check this box again. And that's it.